Okay, guys, I have this. I kind of was a little busy printing last week. And yes, if you wonder, I do 3D print more than I actually show. I'm just getting around to the videos right now because it's been highly busy here at my apartment. It's not like anything major, it's just I have to clean ever so often, and right now I have to get this place spotless because we have our apartments inspected very soon. Yes, this is the type of apartment where you have to keep it clean routinely. I can't just have a load of garbage laying around, rotting. I have to keep this place decent. You can't even smoke inside the apartment. I don't even, if you want, I don't smoke or chew or drink. Alcohol tastes like, I can taste the alcohol pretty easy and a low percentage beer, and I don't like it. So yes, I'll put a link below for these guys. So please follow it. If you guys follow the link below, you'll see. And yes, basics. These are the things. And yes, if you see my background on my regular video, as you guys on my regular video, I have a whole crap ton of 3D prints. And then yes, I have two 3D printers. And yes, sorry, I don't look at the thing too much. And if you want, these are not all of them. I have more than this. I have printed. I have a bad habit of printing like a madman. And due to my mom wanting 3D prints, I print like quite a bit. And there's sometimes old ladies who will give me money for it. And it's not very much. It's only like $1 per hour plus filament. I charge really cheap for what I do. I try my best not to go too high. And even the one I'm currently dealing with, where I'm selling stuff to her, she's surprised how cheap I am. I'm just trying to cover the costs, even though more likely most of these will be given away. And sometimes they'll give me random stuff like this candy right outside my door, because I give them during, let's say during birthdays, I give away 3D prints. Christmas, I give away 3D prints. Yes, I give away a lot of 3D prints, so more likely the amount of money I receive is far less than the amount of money I would have gained. So I'm actually technically in this business for the negatives. Yeah. Like, subscribe, and comment for more. I'll try to make more videos on the 3D print channel, but I do have the primary channel to work with, and I have to try to figure out to do videos for that one too. Bye for now. See you next time.